Hi friends, I am Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we are going to see how to insert the image on your Google Docs from Google or from the website, from the web directly on your file, on your mobile phone. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So how to insert a image from the Google in Google Docs. So first of all, just open a new document here. Then now I'm just going to type as Google here. Okay, so I just want a Google image. You just click on the plus symbol on the top, which is you will have the option of inserting the links, images, tables. So click on this image option and you will see a second option called from camera and the third option called from web. You just want to search a web, so you can search it in the Google. So here you can just type as whatever that you want. So I just typed as Google, so you can see every Google images here. So just click it and there is an option called insert. You just click this insert, which actually insert the image inside it. The same process, you can insert any images from the Google by searching this. For an example, here I just going to search as B roll size. Okay, we just type as roll size here. So you can also Royal Enfield. Okay, so we can just insert like this. You just click this and it's loading. You just need internet, so which you can directly insert the image from the Google to your document by using this option. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.